Good morning, students. Today I'm going to demonstrate how I've made a simple setup for a still life photograph that you could do at home. I'm right here, by the way. Hello! What I've done is set up, as we've shown in class before, just a simple seamless backdrop using some blank material. In this case, I just had some like creamy white paper. It's kind of a yellow color, so I might actually afterwards try to remove some of that yellow with my software. Okay, so I've got a couple objects set up and I can just continue adding to my composition. However, I feel like it. Remember, I mentioned that you may find it interesting to try to create a narrative between those different objects. I mentioned that in the learning outline for this week. Anyway, so I already think these objects are kind of interesting, and they are also the only thing nearby that I have that's about the right size for this demo. So that's what we're going to go with. All right, so I've got my objects set up. I've got my backdrop set up. I have some simple lighting that I can kind of move around and change. Okay, so I can play with that in order to get it to light my scene in a way that I think is effective. And then I'm just going to go ahead and shoot. All right, so it's just that easy. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and edit that image, get it doctored up a little bit using some simple post-production software, and I'll post that as an example of what one might do. Again, you can also cut and paste using Photoshop this week or some other online software. You can feel free to cut and arrange objects out of magazines or something like that and create a still life based on collage. Or you can do what I've done here and just arrange objects. You may even feel like drawing or painting to create still life. That would be perfectly fine as well, but definitely not a requirement. Again, you've only got 1 hour to do this work, and that's including the 2 minutes and 15 seconds that I've just taken from you. Okay, have a great week. Enjoy your compositions.